Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have some news about 26H2. So in Windows, of course, there are different versions that appear over time, and usually with the WinVer command, you can see where you are. So this example here is I'm on 25H2, and some of you are still on 24H2, which is going to expire this October. So this will be important to move on to 25H2 at some point. We now learn by Microsoft that 26H2 will be coming this fall, and it will be an enablement package. So what's an enablement package? Well, like 25H2, it's simply a small update, and it turns on things that are already on your system. So 25H2 was a enablement package also, a very small update, and it just turned on here and there the different options, the different new features that were dormant on your PC. So they kind of are saying that from now on, what we will have is mostly updates, small updates here and there throughout the year, and that's what we're having actually. We're having new features being turned on as we are going through 2026. And as we're going through this year, we will have, of course, some that will still be dormant, that will not have been activated yet. And 26H2 will be activating what is still sleeping on your PC. So that means that the update will be like extremely small, less than, usually it's an update that's like 500 kilobytes or something like that. They're not very big, and it doesn't take a lot of time to install. So the last real big update for Windows 11 goes back to 24H2, which was a full package of new features. And now it seems that we'll be surfing on new features here and there throughout the years. And, of course, going to 26H2, that's going to enable those features. And probably going towards 27H2 next year will be the same, of some new features throughout the year. And, another enablement package, typically, which also kind of hints at another thing, that the life cycle of Windows 11 now at 5 years. Usually when you're at 5 years, Microsoft kind of winds down the updates, the big updates for the Windows operating system. And that's kind of a hint that maybe, at some point, Windows 12 next year or the year after. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.